My first question is that why do birds hold such a crucial position in nature?
Okay, okay. It's a very interesting question. Lot of people ask, and then many of the people also know the answer, or at least part of the answer. Because birds, first of all, are our culture. They are part of our culture. They are also part of our many religious teachings as well as them. They are part of that. So these are two starting point. Then birds also play a very crucial role in pollination of many flowers. And so they are because without the birds, the pollination of some at least some species will not take place. Hmm. And birds also spread the seed of many species, particularly other ficus species, which we have species which have got big seeds. Ficus has got very small seeds, but they have thousands, hundreds of thousands of seeds. So they spread out. So undigested seeds are evacuated from one place to another, and the trees don't walk around. They spread themselves through their seeds or roots. So the birds are extremely important as far as the seed dispersal is concerned. That's why hornbills and barbets and these are known as the engineers of the forest, because uh, barbets and hornbills and other species are good packers. They are spread. I spread the seeds from one place to another, and many of these seeds go into a big tree or etc. So, and then birds also play a crucial role, or at least for some species. I won't say, when I'm saying this, it does not mean that every bird is playing or birds play in controlling the population of the insect. Um, I don't use the word pest because the pest is a human given word. All insects are important, but but they also control the population. They have crucial role in the herbivory of leaves and twigs and other. So if all the leaves are eaten away by the caterpillars, then the tree will die or it won't grow so well. But the birds go and search caterpillars and eat them. Extremely important reasons for keeping the birds number in good numbers and bird population in good numbers and protecting the bird families. I think I mentioned 5 or 6 reasons why the birds are important. Now coming back to the culture, hmm, every culture has got birds in there. Every civilization has birds in their culture. Sanskrit has got, there is a book on the birds in Sanskrit literature, and in Islamic culture, the birds are important, like the swallow and pigeons and doves, and they are considered important birds. And in Maya culture, or you take any culture, birds are a part of the culture. And sometimes they are good. I mean, Hindu culture, many birds are known as Vahan of the gods. And so they are not carrying that job. They are, in some places, they are now considered as sacred, and they are literally, prayers are said about the birds. Yeah. And many, traditional, I would say, traditional also, like, there's big birds in their environment. They also eat some species, but most of the species are protected because of various reasons, which I have already mentioned.